Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Mauna Loa volcano erupted? In the heart of the Pacific, nestled within the Hawaiian Islands, slumbers the Mauna Loa, the world's largest active volcano. This colossal giant, whose name fittingly translates to Long Mountain, has a history as rich and fiery as the molten lava it harbors beneath its surface. The last time Mauna Loa roused from its sleep was back in 1984, painting the skies with its fiery breath and sending tremors through the Earth's crust. But what precedes such an eruption? It's a symphony of signs, from increased seismic activity to ground deformation. These are the whispers of the Earth, signaling that the sleeping giant is stirring. Weaving its narrative into the tapestry of geologic time, Mauna Loa has shaped and reshaped our world, reminding us of the raw, untamed power that lurks beneath our feet. Imagine this sleeping giant suddenly waking up, shaking the earth beneath it. So, what exactly happens when this giant awakens? What does an eruption look like? Well, imagine a pressure cooker. Over time, magma or molten rock builds up beneath the Earth's crust, much like steam in a pressure cooker. This magma is a mix of molten or semi-molten rock, dissolved gases and sometimes crystals. As the pressure builds, the magma rises because it is lighter than the solid rock around it. When the pressure exceeds the strength of the crust, it breaks through, leading to a volcanic eruption. Now, this isn't a gentle release, it's more like the lid being blown off that pressure cooker. The eruption sees a violent release of gases, ash and molten rock or lava that can reach temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This lava can flow out as a river or explode into the air, raining down as a destructive shower. An eruption is not just a spectacular display of nature's power, it's also an incredibly destructive force. Now let's delve into the aftermath of such an eruption. What happens to cities and people in the path of this destructive force? The immediate aftermath is a scene of utter devastation. Lava flows like a relentless river of molten rock engulf everything in their path. Homes, roads, entire neighborhoods are swallowed up, leaving behind a barren, scorched landscape. The air fills with ash fall, blanketing cities in a grey cloud, making the sky seem as if it's fallen. This ash can wreak havoc on air quality, potentially leading to respiratory issues for the population. Pyroclastic flows, a deadly mix of hot gas and volcanic matter, race down the slopes, obliterating everything they touch. The potential loss of life and property in these instances is heart-wrenching and unimaginable. But the damage doesn't stop when the eruption ceases. The long-term effects linger on, like scars etched into the land and the lives of those affected. Infrastructure, once robust and reliable, becomes a skeletal reminder of what once was. Agriculture, the lifeblood of local economies, is crippled, the once fertile soil now hostile and barren. The local economy, so intertwined with these elements, takes a severe blow, leading to job losses and financial instability. But the impact of a Mauna Loa eruption wouldn't be confined to Hawaii. It could affect the entire world. You might ask, how can one volcano impact the whole world? The answer lies in the sheer volume of aerosols and carbon dioxide released into our atmosphere during a volcanic eruption. These particles can linger, forming a sort of veil that reflects sunlight back into space, leading to a temporary global cooling. History provides us with examples. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in the Philippines in 1991, it caused a noticeable drop in global temperatures for about a year. Similarly, the eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia in 1815 led to what is now known as the Year Without a Summer in Europe and North America. What does this mean for us? An eruption of Mauna Loa could potentially alter weather patterns, leading to crop failures and food shortages. It could also impact ecosystems, disrupting the delicate balance of life. So, an eruption of Mauna Loa could have far-reaching effects, altering weather patterns and impacting ecosystems around the world. The eruption of Mauna Loa is a possibility we cannot ignore. It's crucial to arm ourselves with knowledge about volcanoes and disaster preparedness. The more we understand, the better equipped we are to safeguard our cities, our people, and our planet. We can tackle the destructive forces of nature head-on, but we need to be informed and ready. Stay informed, stay prepared. Follow the Disaster File YouTube channel and like this video for more content like this. Together, we can face any disaster that comes our way.